As architects, haven't we all aspired to work in firms like Bjarke Ingels Group, Zaha Hadid Architects, OMA, or Gensler? Every project done by these firms is simply awe-inspiring, and I think you'd agree that it's no less than a dream to be able to work at these firms. But more often than not, we are clueless about how to bag a job at these companies. Most young designers have limited access to career guidance platforms that can help them chase this dream in a methodical manner. So if you too are an architect or designer wayfinding your door to global architecture firms, then you've arrived at the right place. In this video, we'll try to break down the whole roadmap for you to land jobs at these amazing firms. So let's dive right in. The first thing to note is that international architecture firms are extremely tech-focused. At 1:X, we often speak to the mentors in our network to find out what are the latest trends and the design methodologies being followed globally. And here's what they had to say.
There are software skills that these offices require. So, from computational design and software like Rhino, software, Revit, Dynamo, these are a must. If you just do AutoCAD and SketchUp, it's not really going to get you into these offices because it's just not the tool that we use.
Technology is fundamentally changing the way we built, the way we design the built environment, right? From everything from how a building is conceptualized to how it's coordinated and even built, right? So there is opportunities to engage with technology in every process of design, right? And if we're not doing that in today's age, then we are we're going to be extinct as architects.
This is especially true in the case of countries like the US, UK, and UAE. Design companies are getting highly reliant on technologies like generative design, parametric modeling, and BIM to produce error-free designs with the investment of minimal human effort and time. We scanned through job openings at several leading architecture firms, and there is one technical skill requirement that really stood out in all the high-paying roles, and that is computational design. We found an endless list of job openings for this title at every other job portal. Of course, if you want to land jobs abroad in such amazing firms, then you should also have a clear understanding of which skills these employers really look for. Our research showed that the skills that fall under the umbrella of computational design were most in demand. These include parametric design, generative design, form finding, digital fabrication, sustainability analysis, etc. All of these are subsets of computational design, which is a growing trend in the architecture industry. It is essentially the technique of using data-driven processes like automation to design and analyze buildings. While architects and engineers traditionally rely on intuition and experience to solve design problems, computational designers can enhance that process through visual programming. So these professionals are not only able to speed up the design process, but also ensure better collaboration and coordination to end up with error-free design. Even if you open up LinkedIn yourself right now as we speak, here's what you will find. All of the best firms abroad mandatorily require architects to know tools like Grasshopper, Rhino, Revit, Dynamo, as well as processes like parametric modeling. The truth is that even though all firms want architects and engineers to have computational design skills, there is a huge scarcity of such professionals in the job market. Very few professionals have expertise in this field because computational techniques are still pretty new and most colleges do not teach these skills at all. So the demand for these professionals is very high, but the supply is really low. I think you now know what we're getting at. Obviously, if you are able to upskill yourself in computational design tools, then you can stand out from the crowd and make yourself more employable. These skills can be your gateway to landing a job abroad because architecture firms will see you as a lucrative resource that can help their organization grow and innovate. This will also help you get better paying opportunities and an improved quality of professional life. On that note, if you want to start learning computational design, you can do so by enrolling in 1:X's Master Computational Design course. This is an 8-month online course which will take you through all the advanced tools and workflows with interactive live sessions that are conducted by a distinguished panel of mentors. What's great is that these mentors come from the most sought-after international firms themselves, so it'll be like getting first-hand information on cracking these job roles. 1:2x learners also get personalized career guidance and placement support for securing the best job opportunities. Do check it out, and we promise you won't be disappointed. If you want to keep receiving interesting insights on architecture and design careers, then do remember to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.